Okay, what we're going to have a look at here is just the homework. So I've decided to just do a quick video of just the homework in case anyone was having trouble with it. So this graph is of 2 to the power of x. Use the graph to find, so the graph is given here. So we have to use the graph to find f of 0. Remember f0 there is an input. So you're going to the x-axis here. So let's go to the x-axis here to 0 and go up, and we can see here the point is 1. So our answer there to part 1 is going to be f of 0 is equal to 1. Right, part 2, f of 1. So again, go here to your graph, go to 1 and go up and go across there, and we can read off here and it's 2. So f of 1 there is equal to 2. Next one here is f of 1.5. So 1.5 is about here. Try to get it as best you can. And up and across there. So it's kind of nearly near 3 there, but not too close. So 2.8 there, we'll say. So f of 1.5 is equal to 2.8. So that there is, that there is part 3. Okay, part 4. f of 3 is not shown on the graph. What is f of 3? So because it's not shown on the graph, we can still work it out. So f of 3 there, we can't get it, but we can do it algebraically. So f of 3, replace x with 3, so it's 2 to the power of 3. And we know that 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So our answer here is 8. So you have to do that without using the graph. For what value of x is f of x equal to 5? So remember, this is your output. So it's our output here. So we're going to go to the y-axis and we're going to go to 5. And we're going to drop it down here. Oh, sorry, it's a bit wobbly there. Let's draw back in those lines there. So kind of go across and down there. So it's about 2.3, we'll say. So that's what part 5. So 2.3. Okay. Sorry there, just got knocked off there. So 2.3 there is your answer to that one. So that's the answer there to part 5. Okay, so that's our answer there to question 1. The next question there you had was question 2. So we'll go on to question 2 and we'll have a look at 2 then. So, just going to exit out here again, sorry. So question 2 here then. So, the first thing we have to do here is fill into our table. So again, you can fill this into your calculator. So 3 to the power minus 2 there is going to be 1/9. The next one filled in for you. The next one's 3 to the power 0 is 1. 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 to the power 2 is 9. And 3 to the power 3 is 27. So to plot those points. So if you want to write out your points first. So minus 2, 1/9. Minus 1, 1/3. 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 9, and 3, 27. So let's plot our points. So we need to fill in our table first. So on the x-axis needs to go as far as minus 2 here on this side. We might actually go up in 2 boxes here. Might be a bit better for ourselves here. So I'm going to go in 2 boxes. So minus 1 and then minus 2 will be there. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. But we need to go as far as 3 anyway. And we need to go up to 27. So I'm going to go up in 3s. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 27. So that's that our point. So minus 2 1/3. So it's barely right above here. It's nearly on the line. Next one is minus 1 1/3. So again, barely up there. Then we have 0, 1. So again, it's kind of there somewhere. Then we have 1, 3. Then we have 2, 9. Then we have 3, 27. So again, as you can see, exponential means that it grows really fast there. Okay, so it grows up really fast there. Let's answer the question then. So use your graph to find f of 1.5. So that's an input. So an x value. So you're going to your x-axis here for this one. And you're going to 1.1. Or 1.5, sorry. So go up from 1.5 and go across. And when you read off your value here, you're going to get roughly about 5.2. There it is. Okay, so again, read off your graph, so 5.2. The next one, part 2. The value of x for which f of x is equal to 4. So this is an output. So this is your y value. So you're going to go to the y axis here and go to 4. So try get it best. So like that's going up in 3. So kind of 4 will be about here. And then go down. So it's about 1.3 there. So about 1.3. Okay. So that's the answer to that one. The next question you had there was question 4. So we'll have a look at question 4 then. So again, fill in your table first. So fill in your table here. So 2 to the power minus 1 is going to be a half. 2 to the power 0 here is 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 4 is 2. Then multiply them all by 4. So 4 by a quarter is 1. Half 4 is 2. 4 by 1 is 4. 2 by 4 is 8. And 4 by 4 is 16. Now, in the notes I gave you, we just do that all in one. You could have done that as well. It's just the table for this example. I'd filled it out slightly different, that's all. Use the table to sketch the following. So on the x-axis there, I need to go as far across as minus 2. And then 2 here. I'll just go 3. And we need to go up there as far as 16. So remember, these are your y values. These here are your x values. So you need to go up as far as 16. So I'll probably go 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So then we're graphing our points. So our first point there is so actually I might actually do out the points first here. So our first point is minus 2, 1. Then we have minus 1, 2. We have 0, 4. We have 1, 8. And we have 2, 16. So let's graph them then. So minus 2, 1, so about halfway there. Then we have minus 1, 2, 0, 4, 1, 8, and 2, 16. Again, there, curve them and join them as best you can. So there's our graph. Use your graph to estimate the value of 0.5. So that is an input. So the x-axis. So let's answer this. So f of 0.5 is equal to, and we'll read it off here. So 0.5 is about here. And go across there. So we're going to say about 5.7 there for that one. Okay, and that's all the questions.